right, today we're going to talk about how to take a tuba out of a case, and then we're going to go over the tuba parts. Okay, so let's take a look at our tuba case. Now the thing about tubas is a lot of the cases may be completely different. So what I'm going to tell you today is going to apply to pretty much any case that you may have at home. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to lay the tuba flat on the ground. All right, and you want to make sure that all of these latches are facing up. And that's very important because if you have it facing the wrong way, the tuba may fall out of the case and you may cause some damage. So right now, the first thing I do is I look to make sure the latches are facing up. And then what we're going to do right now, we're going to unlatch each one of these latches. And your case will probably have 4 latches. So you want to go around, unlatch each one of these latches, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to pop the case open. You're going to open the case. Voila, there's a tuba right here. It did not fall out of the case. We opened it correctly. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is learn how to take our tuba out of the case. And it's very important you do it the right way because brass is a very soft metal, and if you pull it from one of the small tubes, you may damage your instrument. You never grab it from a valve or a small tubing. So the way I pick up a tuba is like this. I take one hand, my left hand, and I pick up the bell, and then I take my right hand and pick the largest part of the tubing up, just like this. I'm gonna place it on the ground now right in front of me so that we can go over the tuba parts together. So let's go over the parts of the instrument to the tuba. Okay. First, we have our bell. This is where the sound comes out of and creates a beautiful sound right here at the bell. Now, everybody's tuba is different. And these are our valves right here. My fingers go right on these valves. Now, your valves may look different than mine. Some tubas have valves that look like pistons. And for those, you're going to, they basically just look different. These are rotor valves, and your tuba may have these, okay? And then we're gonna take a look at this. This is our thumb ring. Your thumb is going to go in here when you play. The next we have is, and in every tuba this is different as well, we have our water key right here, and this is where condensation builds up into our horn. And every once in a while, we're just gonna need to push gently on our water key to get rid of the water in our instrument because it may build up in time, all right? This is a very important part right here. This is our lead pipe, and this is where our mouthpiece is going to go. So I'm gonna place my tuba back onto the ground, gently, and I'm going to take my mouthpiece. And your case may have a compartment just for the mouthpiece. It may have a slot, you can leave it right there, or it may have a compartment for your mouthpiece. So I take the mouthpiece out, and it's so easy to set up a tuba. All you do is take the mouthpiece, place it into the lead pipe, and what I do is a quarter turn, just a little bit. There's no need to pop it in. There's no need to force it in. You never want to force anything on a tuba because the mouthpiece might get stuck, okay? Now that you know the parts of the tuba and how to set up, we will now move on and talk about how to hold the tuba. Thank you.